It is not permissible to run electrical wire inside a gutter downspout. There are several reasons why this is not an acceptable practice. Firstly, moisture is a significant concern. Downspouts are specifically designed to drain water away from a building. Introducing electrical wires into this environment exposes them to constant moisture, which can severely damage the wire's insulation and conductive materials. This moisture intrusion can lead to short circuits, creating a dangerous situation that could result in fires or electric shock. Secondly, corrosion poses a serious threat. The metals used in electrical wires, typically copper or aluminum, and the metal of the downspout, often aluminum or galvanized steel, can react with each other in the presence of moisture, leading to galvanic corrosion. This corrosion weakens the wire, reducing its current carrying capacity and making it more susceptible to failure. A corroded wire can overheat, further increasing the risk of fire. Thirdly, physical damage is a factor to consider. Downspouts are exposed to various environmental elements and physical stresses. Wind, ice, falling debris, and even routine maintenance activities can potentially damage the wire or dislodge it from its connections. This physical stress can compromise the wire's integrity, leading to insulation breaks, exposed conductors, and increased risk of electrical hazards. Fourthly, code violations are almost certain. Most jurisdictions have electrical codes that prohibit running electrical wires inside gutter downspouts. These regulations are in place to protect people and property from the safety hazards associated with this practice. Ignoring these codes can result in fines, legal liabilities, and, more importantly, increased risk of electrical accidents. Safe and code-compliant alternatives exist for running electrical wires outdoors. Instead of using a downspout, consider the following options. One option is to bore a hole through the brick wall. This is a common and often recommended method for running wires from inside a building to the outside. When drilling through brick, it is crucial to select the appropriate drill bit and take precautions to avoid damaging the brick. After running the wire, the hole must be properly sealed with a waterproof sealant to prevent water from entering the building. This helps to maintain the building's structural integrity and prevent moisture-related problems. Another option is to install conduit. Conduit provides a protective pathway for electrical wires, shielding them from moisture, physical damage, and corrosion. You can use either polyvinyl chloride or PVC conduit or metal conduit, depending on the application and local code requirement. The conduit should be securely fastened to the building's surface and properly sealed at all connections to prevent water from entering. Using conduit ensures that the wires are mechanically protected and electrically insulated from the surrounding environment. A third option is to use waterproof cable. Direct burial cable is specifically designed for underground or outdoor use without requiring additional protection like conduit. This type of cable has a robust outer jacket that is resistant to moisture, chemicals, and physical abrasion. Another option is to use low-voltage light-emitting diode, or LED, lighting systems, which often utilize waterproof cables and connectors. These systems are designed to withstand outdoor conditions and can be installed without the need for conduit in many cases. These are just a few possible options to make a safe and proper install of outdoor lighting. For safety and code compliance, it is highly recommended to reroute the wire using one of the approved methods. Engaging a qualified electrician is essential to ensure that the wiring is installed correctly and safely, following all applicable codes and regulations. A professional electrician can assess the specific situation, recommend the most appropriate wiring method, and perform the installation to meet all safety standards. Ignoring these guidelines and continuing to run electrical wires inside a downspout could have severe consequences, including electrical fires, injuries, or even fatalities. Prioritizing safety and adhering to electrical codes is essential for protecting yourself, your property, and those around you.